Hello, I'm Dr. Evelyn Tirado from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. Many people believe that bleeding gums are normal, but they are actually one of the earliest signs of gum disease. If gum disease isn't treated, it can gradually destroy the bone and tissues that support your teeth, eventually leading to loose teeth and tooth loss. Fortunately, we offer a variety of periodontal treatments to stop the disease and restore your oral health. The first step is a thorough examination using digital X-rays and, when necessary, a 3D CBCT scan. This allows us to evaluate the amount of bone loss and determine which treatment is best for your specific condition. For patients with early gum disease, professional deep cleaning, also called scaling and root planing, removes bacteria and hardened deposits from below the gum line. This helps reduce inflammation and allows the gums to begin healing. After active treatment, many patients benefit from periodontal maintenance. These regular maintenance visits help keep harmful bacteria under control and reduce the risk of the disease returning. If gum disease has caused the gums to recede, gum grafting can protect exposed tooth roots, reduce sensitivity, and improve the appearance of your smile. When infection has resulted in bone loss, bone grafting may be recommended to rebuild the jawbone. This procedure is especially important for patients who are considering dental implants in the future. If a tooth must be removed, ridge preservation, also called socket preservation, helps maintain the natural shape of the jawbone so it will better support future restorations or implants. Some restorative procedures require crown lengthening, which gently reshapes the gum tissue to expose more healthy tooth structure before placing a crown or other restoration. For patients planning dental implants, implant site preparation may be necessary to rebuild the bone and surrounding tissues, creating a stable foundation for long-term implant success. In more advanced cases of periodontal disease, open flap surgery allows us to gently lift the gums, remove infection from deep periodontal pockets, and thoroughly clean the tooth roots where routine cleaning cannot reach. Every patient is different, so your treatment plan is customized to your individual needs. Our goal is always to eliminate infection, preserve your natural teeth whenever possible, and restore a healthy, stable foundation for your smile. If you've noticed bleeding gums, gum recession, loose teeth, or persistent bad breath, don't wait. Schedule a periodontal evaluation today and let us help you protect your smile for years to come.